Hi, everyone. So we're going to be checking into how you can view your financial aid and any award summaries on the new ctcLink. So there's two ways you can get to ctcLink. You can either click the top banner where it says ctcLink, and it can take you directly to the dashboard area. And then you can go to the student portal and click ctcLink login, and it'll also take you to the same page. And so we're just going to go really quick over the two different kinds of ctcLink that are available to you. They are completely the same. So you're going to see this really nice red one. This is the mobile version of ctcLink. It can be accessed through your phone and desktop. And then there's this other version, which is for desktop only, and it's going to look blue. If you end up on either of these pages, you're completely safe and you're okay because they both transition information equally, and whatever is on one dashboard is going to be on the other. So we're just going to go over the red dashboard first and kind of go over how you can get to see your financial aid and some reminders to go with financial aid on these new portals. So on the left-hand side, you can see that you can expand the area, and down there will be a tab for financials. And you'll have different options of what I owe, account activity, view financial aid, accept decline award, satisfactory academic progress, financial aid summary, and view 1098T. So we're going to go through each of these tabs or some of the major ones. So we can go through what I owe. And here is where you will see some charges that are made to your college account and what you might need to make payments on. And there's also an option to make a payment up here at the top right corner. And then there's also account activity here. That's where you can see all the payments, charges available. As you can see, for some of my own classes, there were charges, but they were also paid. And if you see 0, that means you're all good. And then you go to the View Financial Aid tab, where you can see all your financial aid awards. Of course, I don't have any yet. Financial aid is still trying to work some information over to the system. And I am also running Start Student, so I don't have availability to financial aid. But this is where you'll be able to see them, to access them, and even view the information about them. And then you're probably wondering what the Accept Decline Awards tab is. This is where you have to accept or decline the financial aid awards you receive. If you don't accept or decline them, they will not be seen in your college account or will not be contributed towards some of the costs of college or any other things that you need for YBC. So please make sure to accept or decline the awards that are given to you. And then there is satisfactory academic progress. Here you'll be able to check your academic progress for some of the scholarships or financial aid who may want specific information on how your classes are going, what your grades are, GPA, etc. And then financial aid summary is just wrapping all of that up into one and showing you what your financial aid options are. And then view 1098. This is obviously where you will view that form. And then that's where you also need to grant consent to receive that form. And so now we're done with the mobile version and we're going to move over to the desktop version. I'm going to show you the exact same way to get there, but through this version. So you'll see a graduating cap and some money next to him, and it'll say financial aid on the tile. So you're going to click on that. And here, of course, I don't have any financial aid to view, but you surely will if you know that you have access to it. So here you can see some of the award summaries, the aid year description, the institution, and the aid year of when you got them. So it will keep track of everything you've received. And then we can go back to the ctcLink homepage, back to financial aid. And this is just where everything is at. And then you can also go to your financial account. And that's where you can see account balances or outstanding charges, payments that you have made, payment history, make a payment. You also have access to the 1098T form also on this dashboard, and payment plans if you need some. And then other account activities, direct deposit, purchase miscellaneous items, or view student permissions. So they both have relatively the same thing and all have the same information between both platforms. And so that's how you can check your financial aid on either dashboard.